It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another Jasmy update. I do apologize to you guys. I am not at the lab right now, but I am on my laptop. Hopefully the audio and everything is good. I had to get out this Jasmy video for you guys as I am doing a little bit of traveling. But let's talk about Jasmy because I got a few points of interest that I want you guys to focus on. We are again at a $1 billion market cap. If you are new to my channel, my name is Crypto Millie, and every day I make videos about crypto. Jasmy is one of my long-term holdings, full transparency, and we've been talking about this. Well, really, in this project, it's about 203. So let's get into it. I think AI and the big data market is going to be a huge narrative. But before we get actually into the points of the chart, the weekly chart is something I personally like to focus on, as again, Jasmy is a long-term hold. So first and foremost, remember I told you guys about to watch the date on the 27th. So we got some more news here. Japan PM seeks extra budget exceeding 13 trillion yen. All right. So Japan minister said his government is aiming to compile a supplementary budget for current fiscal year in excess of last year's 13.1 trillion yen, 87.6 billion to fund an economic support package. Guys, this is stimulus. This is stimulus happening in Japan, and we already seen how it affected the crypto market from what China was doing. Now, I told you guys that they were looking to make this happen around October 27th. And I think that this could put Jasmy in a position to explode because we know that when countries or economies inject liquidity, a lot of that liquidity goes to risk on assets. And we see specifically those cryptocurrencies within those economies. Jasmy being a real company in Japan and the biggest cryptocurrency in Japan. Now, the thing is, I want you guys to focus on is the fact that when China put out that injection of liquidity, you've seen a lot of the Chinese tokens and Chinese stocks go crazy. The same could possibly happen for Jasmy. Of course, nothing is promised, but this is a good step in the direction for the Jasmy economy. You can see here that Japan companies are buying cryptocurrency. Metaplanet, a Japanese investment firm, announced the purchase of nearly 107 Bitcoin, prompting a 15.7% increase in its share price. Now, why do you think they did that? They did that on the cusp of a liquidity injection into the Japan economy, following the footsteps and being inspired here by MicroStrategy themselves. You can see here MetaPlanet CEO Simon Jarovich has cited inspiration from MicroStrategy. When BTC and pumps, MicroStrategy has been one of the most top performing stocks in the stock asset class, the top performer, right? Like it's been doing better than Tesla, which is crazy. So again, and again, don't. I think I'm quoting somebody who said it was doing better for Tesla. Let me fact check that. So let me not say that, but it's been doing pretty well. I don't want to say it's been doing better than the Tesla, but it has been performing pretty well, guys. If you hold any MicroStrategy stock or you've been paying attention to it, it has been performing pretty well. In some cases, outperforming BTC. So again, you're seeing these Japan companies start to align their investments. Assuming that Japan economy and the minister can get this liquidity injection in the space. And I personally think a lot of liquidity will flow into the Bitcoin of Japan, Jasmy Coin. We know how tooted this project has been based on the utility and the use case. Now, I understand, guys, utility and use case hasn't been the biggest narrative in crypto this cycle. But at some point, people will want to buy things that are going to be around for the next 5 to 10 years. And I believe Jasmy is setting themselves up for that, as it has one of the most bullish teams, bullish use cases, and bullish tokenomics. Now, taking a look at the weekly chart, we're still a little bit in the wins, right? I do see a double bottom forming here, right? But we need to break the resistance that we are seeing at the 618, which is about 2068. We're literally 1/10 away from that, right? So we need to break that. We got rejected here, as you can see by the wick candle. Don't know if you guys actually can see that, so I'll kind of like um expand it for you. You can see we got ejected right here at the wick candle, rejected. So, guys, I mean, TNA works, right? It's not the end and all be all, but if you have a little idea how to utilize some of these technicals, it does work. The RSI again is under 50. The stock RSI is oversold, but going, trending to the downside. So, no real sign of a momentum change here. And then you also have the MACD, which is bearish as well. So Jasmy on the weekly still is not showing that strength, but this is a step in the right direction, as you can see from the solid green candle on the weekly, right? Taking a look at our indicator here, no green dot on the weekly. Again, we are in a downtrend, putting in lower highs, and this could possibly here be the first higher low, right? So this higher low can set us up to start our new trend to the upside if we close this weekly candle in the direction that we're going, right? So this could be a step in the right direction. I would personally, if I'm looking to find an entry point, you're taking a chance right now until you get that green dot print. I'm going to be putting this indicator together for you guys in a bundle. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to deliver it to the community and kind of help out our project as well. So just keep that in mind and have patience. And also, this green dot in this weekly candle could be depicted on how the crypto market closes out for the rest of the week. So if we can get some good volume for altcoins, right, and we can start to see altcoins, specifically blue chips, continue to go up, there's a good chance that Jasmy could put in a higher low here and start a new trend to the upside. If not, I would expect this to continue to go down in this channel and kind of like hold support at this green line, which is about 01805, right? That's been our support, which is this structure here that's circled here, this structure here. All right, so even you were opening a trade, not financial advice, you probably should wait till it comes and retests this support here, because this support has been extremely strong. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wick candles, and it still hasn't confidently broke the support here at 018, right? It always seems to hold the support and bounce back up. So Jasmy is coming to a point where it does have to make a decision. The bear hopium here is that it kind of creates a head and shoulders pattern. You got your head, you got the shoulder, and it's looking to put the other shoulder here. So this could draw out, right? Again, pay attention to the date, October 27th. But guys, normally these head and shoulders patterns do a little bit of damage, right? The hopium we do have here is that the market continues to be bullish. Jasmy prints a green dot here on our indicator, and you start to see this thing put in a higher low here and take its next leg up. But outside of that, just we know that Jasmy has been a top performer so far in this cycle, putting in a huge cup and now a handle. And so we're just dealing with this handle here, guys. You can see we had a handle here, we got a handle here. If we can break this handle to the upside, as you can see, salute to my boy Crypto Seth. Excuse me, Crypto. What's his name? I said Crypto Seth. I think his name is Seth. Okay. Well, anyways, his target price here is 62 cents. Let me make sure I got his name right. All right, yeah, Crypto Steph. Okay, I said Seth. Crypto Steph, right? Let's follow him. But yeah, his target price would be 62 cent here on the weekly chart, right? Somewhere in 2025. All right, let me know how high you think Jasmy can go in 2025. Be sure to put that date, October 27th, here on your watch list. And yeah, we got some possible stimulus happening for the Japan economy. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you guys in the next one.